Do dogs get night terrors? If you've ever seen your dog acting strangely while asleep, you might be wondering if dogs can get night terrors. Let's explore this together to understand what's going on with your furry friend. Night terrors in humans are characterized by intense fear, screaming, and flailing, usually during the deeper stages of sleep. However, dogs experience something slightly different, though it can be just as alarming. Dogs can suffer from a condition called sleep behavior disorder, RBD. During normal REM sleep, dogs, like humans, dream, but their muscles are temporarily paralyzed to prevent them from acting out their dreams. In dogs with RBD, this paralysis doesn't occur, so they can move freely and act out their dreams. Imagine your dog running, howling, barking, or even biting while they're fast asleep. This can be quite frightening to watch, and it's not uncommon for dogs with RBD to hurt themselves or others during these episodes. These behaviors can happen during both nighttime sleep and naps. Another sleep disorder that might seem similar to night terrors is narcolepsy. With narcolepsy, dogs can fall asleep suddenly and without warning, often during periods of excitement or activity. However, this is more about sudden sleep episodes rather than the dog being in a state of terror. Insomnia, which is another common sleep disorder in dogs, involves difficulty sleeping or staying asleep. While this can make your dog tired and irritable, it's not the same as night terrors. To manage sleep disorders like RBD, it's crucial to consult with a veterinarian. They might prescribe medications like clonazepam to reduce physical activity during sleep. For narcolepsy, managing the episodes often involves keeping your dog calm and using medications to reduce sleepiness. If you notice any unusual sleep behaviors in your dog, recording a video of the behavior can be very helpful for your veterinarian to diagnose the issue. Understanding the underlying cause of the sleep disorder is key to treating it effectively. So while dogs don't exactly get night terrors like humans do, they can experience sleep disorders that can be just as concerning. By recognizing the signs and seeking veterinary advice, you can help your dog get the restful sleep they need.